Alright, well guys, now that you've heard the unfortunate news, and honestly what I was like trying to explain earlier, that I was not into. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are finally going to be fixing Clifford. Today we're going to be doing heart surgery. Currently I'm on the way in Clifford to the Ford dealership to go meet my friend Dylan, where he and I are going to be taking out Clifford's current engine that's pretty much shot. If you guys haven't seen the last video, I'll leave a link in the description and also a card on whichever side it is. So go check that video out to see what we're doing, what the upgrades are, and what we're going to do to potentially, hopefully, fingers crossed, fix the car and no longer blow this engine in the future. But today's video is just going to be pretty much a huge long video of us just tearing everything out, removing everything, and then installing the new engine. In this video, we are not going to be opening up this block and seeing what failed, but we will in a future video. Either way, guys, I just want to say I really appreciate everyone who subscribes, everyone who likes, comments, does the whole shebang, and just thank you, and thank you for joining me in this journey of just wanting to have a boosted car. But enough talking, let's get straight into it, and I'll meet you guys when we go to the shop and meet Dylan.
Sometimes you feel weak. The fear you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Upstream, are you with me? Round up, rainbow, color in the city, rushing through me. Downpour, upstream, are you with me? Feel it. Rainbow, color in the city, rushing through me. Downpour, upstream, are you with me?
Alrighty guys, so I realized I haven't really been picking up the camera that much. I've just basically been doing some overall recording, just trying to do some time lapsing. So we're gonna do a quick overview of what we've done already. This is day 3 of taking out Clifford's engine, and as you've seen some clips, because I did end up recording it, we did end up removing the engine already. Removed the torque converter, did the torque hub seal or the torque seal, whatever it's called. And yeah, as you can see, obviously I have a freaking big gaping hole here because the engine's not here. Currently it looks like a mess, but we'll get that all cleaned up, and honestly everything currently looks like a mess, but it's all just basically parts that we're going to end up using and or I guess recycling or throwing away. And then hopefully in upcoming video, I do want to tear this down at least to a certain degree to see what actually failed, because this is the old engine that we removed. And so far I've only really just plucked stuff that we need for the other engine from it. A bunch of things that we're gonna have to reuse, obviously the headers, you know, just stuff that we need. And then Dylan's actually been doing some awesome work on the new engine and has it pretty much almost fully assembled. I want to say there might be a couple things he's missing, but we're gonna put on accessories, put on some belts, put on the headers. I think that's about it. Obviously we're also gonna need to put on the wire harness. I want to do all that while the engine's out, so that when we actually put it back on, it's all simple and just plug in a couple minor things. But hopefully we get this done today, 'cause today is December 31st or 30th?
31st.
Okay, I always yeah. So not necessarily wanting to spend the new year working on this, but you know, she'll be running by the 1st, so
New year, new car.
so so yeah, I'll put you back on the tripod and then just keep going at it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. There's gonna be a ton of footage of it. I don't know how I'm gonna edit any of it yet, but yeah, happy new year guys. Alrighty guys, well, I haven't honestly really recorded at all tonight. Like I mentioned earlier, this is day 3, and honestly, if you guys look outside, it's daylight. It is New Year, it's 2024, and we are 25 hours running without any sleep now, somewhere around that range. Woke up pretty early yesterday, and honestly, I just want to say a huge shout out to Dylan and my friend Philip, who also came and joined us. He was here more for support than anything, but he still helped, and I just want to say really appreciative to both of them. Clifford isn't fully buttoned up quite yet. We're still missing the hood, but other than that, we are moments away from doing the first start on it. Coolant just got put in it. We already have oil. Everything else as far as where is buttoned up. We just need to do the terminals and again the hood. And honestly, hopefully, this pain in the butt was worth it. Again, shout out to Dylan. How many hours of no sleep are you on now?
At least 24.
At least 24. So after we finally get her started up, we are going to do braking miles. I'm going to do roughly 500 miles of just literally just normal driving, no hitting boost, no nothing, just to ensure that everything internally is still good to go. And then from there we should have some fun. But let me set you up on the tripod and get the first start. I'm so tired, Dylan.
Yeah. It's okay, it's now.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Dad. You gonna put it back in park? More power, baby.
I forget Fords do that.
What?
You hook up the battery, the lights go on, be like, yep, I'm here.
I like it because that means I know that everything's good.
Well, yeah, but
And
I
if
forget
it
it
doesn't do
happens.
that, then problems.
Problems. The PCM's not connected.
Is it? No, it is.
No, that could be an issue.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
if it wasn't connected, there wouldn't be any battery power going anywhere. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Your terminal's not clamping.
You're saying he needs, like, a penny in there?
We're not doing your dad's technique.
Well, fine, let's do it the right way and let's put a copper sleeve in there.
Yeah, why did you turn off?
Because I told her to.
And you didn't tell it to, you just kind of said, yeah, that juice you're getting, yeah, give it back.
Why the bleep are you?
Why the bleep are you bleeping?
Yeah.
Did I curse by accident?
No, I did.
Good.
I don't do it by accident.
Me neither.
I bleep and do it all the bleeping time.
Bleepity, bleepity, bleep.
They call me a mother bleeper. But really, I'm bleeping. That's hot.
That's hot.
Can you do it again?
You need to figure out where the heck to put Yoshi.
I thought you were gonna put him in the middle of the dash, but
You can't
That's-
see at that point.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I was gonna put my.
Probably burning stuff off.
Running without knocking, I'll take the celebration. Alright guys, to finish this video, because I've been editing it and realized I never did an outro one. I apologize that this is going to be a super long video. I just did a lot of B-roll and honestly was like, why not? Let me show you guys what me and Dylan did. More or less, a lot of the work Dylan did. And again, if he's watching this, or even Philip, I just want to do a huge shout out to both of them for one, being there in my time of need. I'm gonna be honest, blowing that engine or hurting it and not really being able to do what I want to do with it really sucked and put me in a very bad position mentally, just because this car to me means so freaking much. It is one of my gateways of just relaxing and letting loose, and not being able to drive it for as long as I didn't have it, and then once I finally got it, that happened. It kind of just threw a curveball, and yeah. But I want to do a huge shout out for everyone who subscribed, everyone who watched the video, anyone who has any comments or anything to say, leave in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you guys think? And in the future, we're going to be opening up that old block that we took out and seeing potentially what failed. Probably a rod bearing. Maybe it is a rod and it was rod knock. I don't know. I'm no expert. But also, we're finally going to be doing some data logging. Since it is a new engine, that engine's not quite tweaked to the current tune, so I'm going to be data logging, sending that stuff to Auto Mafia Racing for them to double check and confirm. And then from there, we'll just kind of drive the car normally until we finally get the full clear to full throttle that sucker, and we'll finally experience boost. And yeah, there's still some stuff that we have left to do. Right here, I have the wells for the car, I have new headlights, and then back here I have a couple small goodies that I'm planning on doing on the car. So still a lot more things to come, and I have some very big plans for the future that may or may not involve this car. We'll see. It's just, I love doing car stuff, and I feel like at this point I'm getting closer and closer to calling Clifford finish once the boost is finally running, and there's a lot of things I want to do with him, but financially sometimes it just doesn't make sense. But all in all, hope you guys had a wonderful new year. It is finally 2024. We actually managed to hit my deadline and got Clifford running basically new year. We ended up running, I think, almost 30 hours without any sleep. So again, huge shout out to Dylan. It was such a long process, and I don't think I ever want to do an engine swap again. And hopefully I don't have to, but yeah. Hope you guys had a wonderful day, and just remember, you guys got to grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope I see you guys in the next video, and peace out, and have a wonderful day.